Welcome to the channel, where creativity begins in the workshop and possibilities are shaped from what others overlook. This space is dedicated to reimagining workshop wooden and metal wastes, exploring how patience, imagination, and thoughtful effort can turn forgotten pieces into something meaningful. Here, the focus is not just on making things, but on seeing potential differently, showing how simple beginnings can lead to inspiring results that connect creativity, everyday living, and opportunity. In this video, we step inside the workshop to follow the journey of workshop wooden and metal wastes as they move from the background into the spotlight. You'll see how these overlooked materials are approached with a fresh perspective, gradually transformed through creativity and care. This is a story of transformation, purpose, and possibility, one that blends creativity with real-world value and invites you to look at familiar surroundings in a completely new way. Stay with us until the end of the video to see how workshop wooden and metal wastes complete their journey from overlooked beginnings to meaningful results, where every step adds purpose and character to the transformation. If you enjoy content that blends creativity, thoughtful reuse, and real opportunity, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss future videos, like this one, to show your support, and share it with friends or anyone who appreciates creative ideas and inspiring transformations. It truly helps the channel grow and keeps this creative journey going. In every workshop, wooden and metal wastes slowly accumulate, often pushed aside and forgotten as daily work continues. These workshop wooden and metal wastes may appear insignificant, but they quietly carry stories of past use and untapped potential. When viewed through a creative lens, they become more than leftovers. They become the starting point of a transformation that connects imagination, patience, and possibility in a powerful way. As the process begins, workshop wooden and metal wastes are no longer treated as scraps but as materials worth attention and respect. Each piece is studied, repositioned, and reconsidered, allowing ideas to form naturally without pressure. Working slowly with workshop wooden and metal wastes creates a rhythm where creativity grows through observation, turning uncertainty into direction over time. What makes this journey special is how workshop wooden and metal wastes are reshaped to belong in everyday environments. These transformations are not about perfection but about character, where each finished piece adds warmth and personality to living spaces. Workshop wooden and metal wastes, once overlooked, now contribute to spaces that feel personal, inviting, and thoughtfully designed. There is a deep sense of satisfaction in restoring workshop wooden and metal wastes and watching them take on new meaning. Each adjustment reinforces the idea that value is not lost, only hidden. Through care and creativity, workshop wooden and metal wastes slowly move from neglect to relevance, proving that thoughtful work can reveal beauty where none was expected. Working with workshop wooden and metal wastes naturally encourages a more sustainable way of thinking. It shows that creativity does not always require new resources, but rather a willingness to reimagine what already exists. By choosing to work with workshop wooden and metal wastes, the process quietly promotes responsibility, awareness, and respect for materials and effort. As the transformation continues, workshop wooden and metal wastes begin to represent opportunity as much as creativity. What starts as an idea slowly becomes a finished piece with practical appeal, showing how careful craftsmanship can create value. These workshop wooden and metal wastes demonstrate how creative effort can extend beyond passion and move toward meaningful outcomes. Each project completed using workshop wooden and metal wastes contributes to personal growth and experience. Skills are refined through repetition, confidence develops through problem solving, and challenges become lessons rather than obstacles. Over time, working with workshop wooden and metal wastes becomes a journey of continuous improvement and creative discovery. When the final form emerges, workshop wooden and metal wastes are no longer recognizable as what they once were. Each piece carries a unique identity shaped by the process, reflecting both intention and individuality. The transformation of workshop wooden and metal wastes results in creations that feel expressive, personal, and full of character. Beyond the creative fulfillment, workshop wooden and metal wastes also offer a pathway to opportunity. With vision and consistency, these transformed pieces can find appreciation beyond the workshop, showing how creative work can connect with wider audiences. Workshop wooden and metal wastes become symbols of how imagination can turn overlooked resources into meaningful value. Completing a project made from workshop wooden and metal wastes brings a strong sense of achievement. The journey from uncertainty to completion highlights the importance of patience, effort, and belief in the process. Seeing workshop wooden and metal wastes transformed into finished pieces reinforces the reward of staying committed to creative vision. This process invites a shift in how we view workshop wooden and metal wastes in our surroundings. Instead of seeing them as excess, it encourages us to recognize their potential and rethink how value is defined. Workshop wooden and metal wastes become a reminder that creativity often begins with a change in perspective. As the pieces begin to take shape, you'll notice how workshop wooden and metal wastes start revealing their hidden character. Every scratch, dent, or irregular edge becomes part of the story, showing that imperfections can be transformed into charm and uniqueness. Watching the process unfold is like seeing potential awaken, where materials that were once ignored gradually gain life and purpose, reminding us that creativity often starts by seeing value where others see none. Throughout the process, there's a rhythm to working with workshop wooden and metal wastes, a flow that combines observation, trial, and adjustment. Every cut, polish, or assembly adds to the story, and every challenge becomes an opportunity to explore new approaches. This rhythm is part of what makes the transformation rewarding, as it reinforces the idea that patience, care, and consistent effort can turn overlooked materials into something truly remarkable. As we near the final stages, it becomes clear that workshop wooden and metal wastes have completed a full journey, from being background clutter to becoming central pieces of creativity, expression, and value. This process is not only about the physical transformation of materials but also about shifting perspectives, embracing imagination, and recognizing the potential in what we often discard. It's a powerful reminder that meaningful creativity often starts with simply looking at things differently. At this stage, the transformation of workshop wooden and metal wastes becomes almost magical, as raw, overlooked materials begin to reveal new forms and possibilities. Each piece tells a story of patience and creativity, showing that even what seems like clutter can carry hidden potential. The process inspires viewers to rethink how they see materials around them, emphasizing that beauty and function often emerge where we least expect. Working with workshop wooden and metal wastes also offers a lesson in adaptability and problem solving. Each piece comes with its own challenges, irregular shapes, imperfections, or unexpected limitations, but these challenges encourage innovation and creative solutions. Through this journey, viewers can see that obstacles are not setbacks but opportunities to discover new ways of thinking and making, and that persistence leads to rewarding outcomes. Finally, the story of workshop wooden and metal wastes reminds us that creativity is not just about aesthetics, it's about connection and purpose. Each transformed piece carries a sense of meaning, whether it's enhancing a living space, inspiring new ideas, or even opening doors to small-scale opportunities. By following this journey, viewers are encouraged to embrace imagination, recognize value in the overlooked, and find inspiration in turning simple materials into something extraordinary. In the end, the story of workshop wooden and metal wastes is a story of transformation, creativity, and purpose. It shows how imagination and effort can bring new life to what was once overlooked. Through this journey, workshop wooden and metal wastes stand as proof that meaningful creations can emerge from the simplest beginnings. Thank you for watching this video and spending your time with us as we explored the creative journey of workshop wooden and metal wastes and the possibilities they hold. Your support means a lot, and every view helps keep this space alive for sharing ideas, inspiration, and transformation. We appreciate you being part of the channel, and we look forward to bringing you more creative stories, fresh perspectives, and meaningful projects in the videos to come.